thiini wa bunge ya gĩbũrũri niwe Opiyo Wandayi nimaugite ati gatiba nitaririe wega ati akenya mari na uhoti wa gukorwo makirehe mogaruruku na makiria kuregana na mitaratara iria ringi ingikorwo ikigathikwo ni thirikari. Reke twamũkĩre riboti iyo.
Kuom yiero John Apo to wuotho kod tries to remind Kenyans that is the sign of Mau. I'm beginning to doubt that anybody is in his family was in the Mau movement. If his father was in the Mau movement, Rigathi Gachagua should know that governments are not changed by ballot or by the votes cast in an election. For the world, there are many means of changing government. And if he's a son of Mau, the Mau who fought in the forest were not using the ballot.
Sisi kama watu wa Azimio na katika Wakenya wote tuko na ruhusu, tuna jukumu ya kufanya chochote.
In South Africa, for the white man to know that there are black people in South Africa, they didn't go to parliament because they were not allowed to go to parliament. They used extra parliamentary, extra constitutional means to bring.
Intending to invite or host simply expressing themselves by participating in peaceful demonstrations. It is not acceptable that in this day and age, the police can unleash terror on an armed, peaceful, harmless, patriotic Kenyans who are going about exercising their constitutional right of picketing and demonstrating.
Na tuthie na mbere na gĩkũnjĩro kĩa mĩaraho nĩ atĩ atongoria kuuma gĩcigo kĩa Game